Today on How We Do It Here, we're going to check out the thermostat. See if it's the thermostat or the unit causing it not to work. Now we changed the batteries, so it's not the batteries. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. See it snap off the wall. Okay. And in the back, we have 4 wires that are connected. We have a red wire, which is your 24 volts coming in, powering the thermostat. We have a green wire. The green wire is the blower. We have a yellow wire, which in this case it's a blue wire, but it's a yellow wire, it's the center terminal. And we have a white wire, which is the heater. So we're not worried about the white wire. So all we have to do is touch the red wire to the green wire, which will turn the blower on, and the compressor will come on when we touch the yellow wire. In this case it's a blue wire, but you probably have a yellow wire. So we put those 3 wires together, the air conditioner should work. If it does work, then the thermostat is bad. And if it doesn't work, well, then it's the unit. So let's give it a try. Okay, now we have the wires disconnected from the thermostat. And on the thermostat, there's 4 wires. The white wire we left connected. White wire is for the heater. There's a G, which would be the green wire. That's your blower. And Y is the yellow wire. In this case, it's blue, but yours would probably be yellow. That's the compressor on your air conditioning unit. And red is the power coming in. So when I connect the red to the green, when I hold them together, you should hear the blower come on. Then when I touch the yellow, which in this case is blue, I'll touch the yellow. So you want to touch yellow, green, and red together. That will run the blower, and that'll also turn on the compressor. Now I'm standing right next to a vent, so if the compressor kicks on, I will hear it, and it'll also start getting cooler. So let's connect. I'm going to connect the wires together, and this will tell us now if it works. If the air conditioner works when I connect these wires, that means the thermostat is bad. Okay, which I think it is. So the red goes to green. We should hear the blower come on. There goes the blower. Now we're going to connect the yellow wire with the other 2. Yep, I heard the compressor kick on. And the air conditioner is blowing, like I said, it's blowing on the back of my neck. Definitely cooling. I can feel it. Oh yes, it's cooling because it's hot up here. Yes, it's cooling. So that tells me the air conditioner is working, but the thermostat is bad. So we're going to go to town and get another thermostat. Let everything go. Disconnect everything. It's on a timer so the blower will blow a little while, then it'll kick off. We cannot find this particular one because it's an old unit. It's an old Honeywell. So we're just going to get a small thermostat, and we're going to replace this one. That should do the trick. Okay, we went to Lowe's and we bought the non-programmable thermostat, Honeywell. It was like $21 and something. At Lowe's I get the military discount. So they knock off about 10%. So it's like getting the tax taken off and a little bit more. This is the upstairs bedroom. Last night we had to use this portable unit. now we got her going. Now we hooked it up, and all you do is follow the instructions. You just hook up those wires. Remember, you hook green to G, Y, yellow, W to white, and R red. It's that simple. So we just hooked it up few minutes ago, 5-10 minutes ago, and we have the air conditioner on, and it's blowing cold. It's blowing. We have a couple of ducts up here, blowing out of that duct, and this one right here. Anyway, here we are, right here. Okay, we just hooked this up. I just hooked this up. It was on 87, and it's already dropped now to 82 or 81. And it's non-programmable, so you just put it on cool and on if you want it to run all the time, the fan to run. And you set your temperature. That's simple. We have to do a little cosmetics because this was smaller than the other thermostat. I'm gonna have to put a little spackling right there, repair that. So it's working great. It was the thermostat, it was not my unit. How we do it here, testing your thermostat. Okay, we have the new thermostat case on the wall, mounted. Just put a couple of screws. And here is the red wire. You see the R right there? So we get up there where you can see it. Red. And then, got white. See the white wire at the top? Okay, yellow, in our case it's blue, and green. Green on the end. And it's just that simple. You just hook those wires up. And we had the white wire for the heater. This thing also has a heater. Okay. And then you just simply take this is the back side of it. Focus. Okay, we got batteries, and it's got those pins, and you just snap it back on. That's pretty much it. How we do it here: repair or replace our thermostat and troubleshoot it.